Hi guys, this platform is my second platform. I just want you to know that I'll be coming here often to do a quick reaction video without wasting much of your time, without saying a lot. I'm not gonna bring a long video here, starting from now on, because I want to make sure that everything we're gonna bring here will be as snap as possible, like as short as we can, to just highlight on things that matter to us. For example, we have been seeing what Adadioramma and many people are going through, like Biafrans, who find what she's saying offensive. Do you understand? So I would like to make sure that I react towards that, and I will bring to you, my own feelings about it. So I will make sure that I tell you what I feel about it without wasting much time. But sometimes we're gonna stream live here and discuss about what matters to us and what is important for us. For example, I saw this lamentation from Adadioramma that some people gathered together, forming gang against her and saying a lot of things about her. We know what she's doing, and some people have different opinion to that. I have made some videos, adding my own voice to the issue. Whether she gonna take it or not, I don't know. But everyone have their own opinion, right? She said something today in one of her program that I watched. I didn't know, I have not watched it to the complete, but that is some similar thing that she have said in the past. Like some people gang up, how they have to people have WhatsApp group somewhere discussing about her and discouraging people not to watch her video and all that. Do you believe that is true? Because to me, I don't think so. Okay, I don't think it's true. But I may be wrong. I may be wrong. I may be right. I don't know if it's true that some people abandon all everything and just to discuss or to discourage people not to go and watch another drama. In this life, I believe that we have right to say whatever we want to say, right? And we have our own choices. If you are following me and you like what I'm doing, you are following me because you like what I'm doing actually. But if I change from what I'm doing to something else, that can push you away and also can bring other people to follow me, right? But the issue is that sometimes when you lose your followers, the people that come in may not be as big as people that you lost. And some people, sometimes when you lose people that are gonna come will be, maybe they will be more in number than people that decide not to follow you. So it's vice versa. But some people actually see other drama controversial comments, and some of, well, yes, what she's doing is quite controversial. I can testify to that. But some people like it no matter what. My only two observation, I have noticed that people that are following her, that are telling her go on, are basically okay people. I don't know if you have noticed that, because if you have been watching her video before now, you must have seen that commentators there are no longer similar names that that's some regular name you will see in their program, right? She made it clear when she started all this saga, when she was dishing it out step by step. In one of her videos, she said that she don't care, that she know that she's gonna lose followers, but she don't care. So that's the thing they don't should take, that she already prepare her mind for what is to come. So I don't think it's something that then people will start, oh, how can we do, not that kind of thing. I believe she knows what she's doing, and she accepts to do that. Some people feel that they want to defend it, they want to give more reason to that. It's their choice. But I don't want to believe that some people can go to, going from people to house to tell people don't wash hand. I don't, even if you do, okay, it's not going to work, because people always know what they want. Yes. You are not the one that say people go and watch another number before. So why do you think that you'll be the one to tell people to don't watch her? Is of no, it doesn't make sense. Whether people watch her or don't watch her, the truth is the truth is that what she's saying, what she's doing, is it the right thing? That should be what will concern you, not whether people watch her or not watch her and all that. So I don't think it's a good idea to tell people not to watch her. Okay, but if you feel that is the best way to do it, that's on you. You can do that. Then some people actually want her to be, removed totally. Let her not talk about, even if she want to talk about Biafra, let her be, but don't bring her in the cabinet. I have seen people saying that, commenting on that, and to me, people don't have right to say such thing, or to suggest that kind of thing. Leave the government to do what they think that is good for the government. If you think otherwise, maybe you don't like the government or you think they're getting it wrong, then you can suggest to the government. The government will be the one to decide and to utilize what you said to see what next, but not you coming out to force that kind of thing on people. There's a lot to say about the issue of Adadioramma, I'm not going to lie, but we have to be a kind of calm down and follow it step by step. So you cannot be, yeah, you cannot just because you want to, criticize what she's doing, that to you don't like it. Some people like it. So you cannot commit crime in the name of fighting crime. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. You cannot just come out and do something that you're not supposed to do simply because you want to prove that Adadioramma is getting it wrong. So I think we should just sometimes we allow nature to take its course. Don't just force things, and it's not gonna work that way. Like I said, she's not a baby. She's a matured lady, a matured woman. She knows what she's doing, and she actually she appointed it out herself that people that she know that people are gonna run away from her, and by so doing, she don't think she can you know say anything different for what or do anything. She felt that what she's doing is right, and to me, it's wrong. And for some people contacting her from homeland in the name of man on ground and all that, you know yourself. What you are doing, you're not doing anything. You are not doing something to favor the government. If you have issue with the government or anybody that you're working with, there's many ways to channel your grievances. You can call COS and table that to her. Or if she don't answer you or she don't respond to you to that today, being the 19th of February 2025. You can also, because she's going to come live. I don't know if she has started, I don't think she has, because, yeah, in next few minutes she will start. They were going to have program, and that program is all about question and answer. So, meaning that you can prepare your questions and she's going to answer you. So, in that kind of this kind of opportunity, this is another venue for you to call in and table your issue. Or you can contact other cabinet members and see what they will tell you. Then you can work it out. These are things that I felt that is best way to, you know, negotiate or to present your grievances to the cabinet or to the government. But this idea of jumping on social media and start saying all manner of things is not a good side. And some Biafrans are not going to take it lightly. Maybe people that actually hold in the highest esteem will begin to lose respect for you. So let it be on record that people advise you before you choose to do what you're doing. So, my I just want to write on this and tell me what you think about it, because I don't want this some of our followers here to feel that this channel is abandoned. No, I will be coming often here like this video. Okay, try your best to like the video, subscribe, and tell us your own what you think about it. Anything you want us to discuss, my phone number is there. You can take my phone number. For those of you that have it, if you don't have it, put your comments on. I will send it to you. WhatsApp number only. You can relate to us and tell us your own side of the story. We cannot actually, if it's worth bringing you forward, we can bring you forward on the program, and you tell people, Biafrans, or everybody what you think. Not only Biafra issue that concern Igbo culture, anything that has to do with our people, because you have to tell us our story, not anybody this time around. So that's the essence of it. And please make sure, like I said, you like the video, and God bless you. See you again. Bye bye for now.